Everyone. I am representing my team, the AESTA squad from Global Group of Institutes, Amritsar, Punjab, India. Let me start with a quick question. How many of you have ever seen a garbage pile near your home and thought someone should clean this up? Mostly we all have. But the real problem is we don't know where to report it or how to ensure it's clean. That's the issue our project EcoSphere spot it, report it, and fix it aims to solve. Our website provides a simple digital solution that connects residents and cleaners directly. It makes garbage reporting, tracking, and cleaning fast, transparent, and efficient. So, are you ready to see how it works? Let's get started. Now, firstly, let's go to a resident dashboard. Imagine you're walking through your area and spot an unclean place. What would you do normally? Maybe ignore it or complain somewhere? So, at a resident portal, you can file your complaint. Firstly, you have to register yourself as a resident. After filling this, you can register. After registration, just log in by using your login credentials. You will see one map. Just locate your locality over here. For an instance, let's say this is my locality. I will upload the picture of the garbage dump over here. And by clicking the submit button, my report has been submitted. You can even track your report live to see when it gets cleaned. Isn't that convenient? Now what would be the next step? The cleaner will see this. Now let's go to the cleaner's portal. Any guesses what they see here? A report or a map? Yes, that is the answer. They can view all the pending reports over here. Here details have been written like the resident's name, contact, image and status. They will clean the environment. Once the cleaning is done, they just click mark as cleaned. The moment they do that, the report disappears from both dashboards, updating the system in real time. No paperwork, no delay, just a clean and efficient process. Now, here's what makes it works. We have used Node.js and Express.js for the backend, MongoDB for the database management, Leaflet.js for the map, and Cloudinary for storing images. All reports are stored using GeoJSON coordinates, allowing precise mapping and quick access. So everything from reporting to cleaning happens in fully automated flow. Now let's think, what are we really trying to achieve here? Our objectives are to make garbage reporting simple and digital, to bring accountability and transparency into cleaning operations, and to enable real-time monitoring of cleanliness. With this system, every citizen can play a part in keeping their surroundings clean. We also have a feedback form over here where a user or resident can put their feedbacks. So, thank you for your attention. Through this project, we have shown how technology can be used for a cleaner and a smarter India. EcoSphere is not just about reporting garbage, it's about empowering communities to take action, ensuring transparency, and building a sense of shared responsibility. By connecting residents and cleaners in real time, we make cleanliness not just a duty but a collaborative digital movement. Together, let's make India cleaner, smarter, and greener. Thank you.